Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the apps which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, the settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to open the settings which are in this upper panel. So let's tap. Now let's tap on languages at the top. And this is the list of all applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on add keyboard to open the full list of, sorry, that was a misclick. To open the list of all available languages from which we can choose. Of course, you can scroll and look for your language or simply enter the name of it. Something like that. Just choose it from this list after finding, and here you can choose the keyboard type. The amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 5 or 7 different keyboard layouts. So mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list. Before I'll show you how to remove the previous language or any other language, let me go back to the keyboard because I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see here in this updated version of the keyboard, we've got the hint of how to do it. So all we have to do is to use the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layouts. Right now I've got the Urdu one, and right now I've got English one, which is more the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So it gives us a hint which keyboard we've got applied on. So, in order to remove the language, you have to go back to the settings and the languages, and here in this section you can tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.